Welcome children. Welcome to the fourth part of chapter 4 practical geometry, constructing a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. First we can do example 4. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle B is equal to 105 degree and angle C equal to 80 degree. Here I have drawn the rough sketch of ABCD and the given measurements also given here in that picture. BC 5 centimeter, CD 6.5 centimeter, AB 4 centimeter, angle B 105 degree, angle C 80 degree. Observe this rough sketch. Angle B and angle C is given. BC also given 5 centimeter. So we shall draw BC first. BC 5 centimeter. So we can draw BC 5 centimeter. Here it is BC 5 centimeter. How to construct angle B 105 degree by using a compass. For constructing that 105 degree angle, first we have to draw 60 degree, 120 degree, then bisector of 60 and 120, 90 degree, and bisector of 90 and 120, 105 degree. This is the point we have to join 105 degree and angle B is equal to 105 degree. Then next we have to draw 80 degree on C. So angle C is equal to 80 degree. We have to draw it by using a protractor, and 80 degree angle is, this is 80. Here is the line segment. Then we have to consider this 0. This is 80 degree angle. Join this point. Now we have got 80 degree angle on C. This is 80 degree. Then again look at the rough sketch. CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter. By using a ruler we can measure that 6.5 centimeter and mark it on this line. Here it is 6.5 centimeter and this is the point D. Now we have got that B, C and D and remaining point is A. We have to find the point A and A is 4 centimeter away from B. So we have to take 4 centimeter from B and mark the point A. This is the point A. And now we have all points A, B, C, D and we just want to join A and D. Now we have constructed our quadrilateral ABCD and write the measurement. CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter, AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Next we are constructing that exercise 4.4. First question, construct quadrilateral DEAR where DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, AR 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Here I have drawn the rough sketch of this DR and given measurements also marked here. EA 5 centimeter, AR 4.5 centimeter, ED 4 centimeter and angle E 60 degree, angle A 90 degree. So by observing this figure, you have got a clear idea about our original quadrilateral DR. So here we have to draw EA with a 5 centimeter. Draw EA with a 5 centimeter. Then we have to construct that angle E is 60 degree. So we have to draw 60 degree angle by using a compass. Drawing 60 degree angle on E. This is 60 degree angle. We have marked and join it like this way. Then we have to construct 90 degree on A. A is equal to 90 degree. By using a compass we can draw 90 degree angle. Here I have drawn 60, 120 and bisector of 60 and 120 is 90, and we are joining this 90 degree with A, drawing that 90 degree on A, and after that look at that rough sketch. AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Here we have that points E, A, then next is R. R is 4.5 centimeter away from A. So we are measuring using a scale and measuring 4.5 centimeter and marking it here. That is the point R, 4.5 centimeter. Next we have to got that point D. So D from that E 4 centimeter away. So taking 4 centimeter by using a ruler, marking it here 4 centimeter, that is the point D. Now we have all points, just we want to join D and R. Now we have completed that quadrilateral DEAR, dear. And don't forget to write that angles here. Here it is 60 degree and this is 90 degree angle. Next, our second question is construct quadrilateral true, 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 where TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU is equal to 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, and angle R is equal to 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120 degree. Here I have drawn the rough sketch of this true and mark that all measurements here. RU 3 centimeter, UE 4 centimeter, angle R 75 degree, angle U 120 degree, and TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. First we have to draw RU with the 3 centimeter. Here I have drawn that RU 3 centimeter. Then we have to draw that angle 75 degree on R. Angle R is equal to 75 degree. By using a compass and pencil, we have to construct that angle R 75 degree. Here we have drawn that 60 degree angle, 120, bisector of 60 and 120, 90 degree angle. Then bisector of 90 and 60, we have got this 75 degree angle. Then we have to join this. And write here 75 degree. Then we know RT 3.5 centimeter. So we have to mark that point T 3.5 centimeter by using a ruler. Measure 3.5 centimeter and mark a point here. This is the point T and it is 3.5 centimeter. Then next we have to construct angle U is equal to 120 degree. Now we have joined that and we have got that 120 degree. Then UE is 4 centimeter. That is the point E is 4 centimeter away from U. So we have to measure 4 centimeter by using a ruler. Place a ruler like this way and find that point E. That is 4 centimeter from that point U. Then next step, we just want to join. We have got that 4 points now, T, R, U, E. Just to join that E and T by using a ruler. Now we have completed our required quadrilateral true, T, R, U, E.